Hi, I'm Lexie Lyons with Whissel Realty Group, and I want to talk to you today about the difference between working with an average agent and working with a top-notch agent when buying your home. It's only natural that an agent's going to get you the right home at the right price. That's what you'd expect from every agent you work with. But what is the agent doing above and beyond the basics? When you work with me, there are many additional things that you'll receive. A few of them are: 1, lower interest rate. We've partnered with the best lenders, and we've been able to get our buyers loan packages that provide them with lower interest rates than you're seeing quoted out there. I mean, would a lower monthly payment help you with the purchase of your new home? And 2, a free moving truck. Yes, we purchased a moving truck which you can use for free. And 3, reduced closing costs. When you work with our preferred lender, they will pay for your appraisal for you. Appraisals typically run about $500 or $600. So I'm sure you'd rather keep your $500 or $600 than have to pay for an appraisal with it, wouldn't you? And 4, a free home warranty. I'll make sure when you get your home that you are provided with a home warranty so you have peace of mind with your new home, and I'll make sure it's free for you. And 5, the love it or leave it guarantee. I fully expect when you get your new home, you are going to be thrilled with it. But if for any reason you feel you need to move in the first 12 months and get another home, then we will go ahead and sell your home for free at no cost to you. That's our love it and leave it guarantee. So when you're deciding who to work with, when you're making one of the biggest purchases you'll ever make in your life, who represents you matters. So if you're looking to buy, then I look forward to helping you get your dream home. Won't that be great?